Welcome back everybody into another daily recap. So this is, you're looking at the most recent price action on gold. I was just monitoring after this spike up on the bullish side. I was monitoring also the 1 minute and I saw anticipated this movement, but I did not take it because it was the end of the session. And then after this spike up, which should be about above this, I was looking for this retest. It will go around 20 pips now, so ideally the stop loss will be at break even, but yeah, let's see just how it will continue. Today I took two losses, one on gold and one on GBPUSD, and I missed one entry on gold. So let's go back. The entry that I missed on gold was exactly this one, I guess. Yeah, I think it was this one. Let me see if I have it over here. Oh yeah, I should have it just photo. Okay, yeah, it's this one. 2027.6. Yeah, it's this one. You can see the price is breaking above and staying above, and then simply spiking up 30 pips. Here as well, I was just not having faith, not believing. It was a little bit earlier. It was just at the start of New York session, but the setup was that I should have entered anyway, no matter what. Oh, sorry. Here we see a rejection and then a possible continuation up. Oh yeah, the moment the price action is not that clean, is not that straightforward. When I saw actually that after this strong rejection, I saw the correction below here and I saw this break below, especially the break below these pivot points. That's when I took my entry over here. The entry was very good. I'm really happy about it. If you see it, it's actually the top of the movement of the retracement. Price will actually go around 16 pips, so it's just a little bit short, just one more candle and will be at least at break even, and then it retraces all the way back up. Yeah, that's okay. I mean, this is a 10 pip loss. Also survived this possible retracement. Maybe it was retesting this area and then continuing down. It's okay. It's just a loss. I would have lost even more. So the loss does not really matter. And then I missed this possible buy, which would have been a break-even one. Right now, as you can see, after bouncing again from an hourly PSA, that something that I'm just looking at now, we are breaking below, we are breaking above, but not giving us any retest. So even any hunter over here would have not given me any retest area for this spike up in volume. And yeah, what I was looking at was this one, but this one on the would have been another break-even trade, not the most trendy day ever. The only thing is that on the 1 minute you can see it more clear is the retracement, the retest of this area with these kind of bodies. So that's why I was eyeing this retest. It was over here actually, and yeah, that will go around 40-45 pips. But yeah, this is overall the price action from from the start from 2027. Yeah, from the start of the New York session, we only have the drawdown of around 10 pips and then a nice spike move up of around 80 pips. It's just that on the lower time frame, it was not that that clean. As you can see that basically we created this order block for the most part. We bounced from the 2031 and the lower 2026, and yeah, from there we only later on bounce up. Even this retest would have been a loss before pushing up, and it was only later on that it would have gone bullish. Maybe you might say that if you use the candle bodies, because now you can see that most of the reactions are at the candle bodies. In this case, yes, you will be okay, and then pushing up. Another thing is that I really want to now, I think it's the most, makes most sense to use the 1 minute, even though the 20 ticks gives a lot of information. This is the most reliable in terms of where I can use it on every broker, on MetaTrader, on CTrader, on every broker, and especially I can backtest and directly backtest and apply study the pattern on the 1 minute, and not like study on the 1 minute but then apply on the 20-second, 20 ticks chart. Then with GBPUSD, let's go to my loss. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, it was here. Okay, so GBPUSD, I'm still happy with this entry. No regrets whatsoever. So if you can see now, we were trending quite bullish in the sense that we were now staying above. We made a new higher high compared to this left side, and we were in a retracement mode. I didn't take the fast retracement or try to catch the knife, but yeah, 50% retracement of the overall bullish move. And when I saw that the price was breaking above and possibly just even filling this range would have been enough, because it would be at least at break even. I added my buy limit over here at already from this bullish candle. I didn't get triggered. It would have been already 4 pips in profit, but yeah, I got I got it triggered over here at the retest of this whole area. It got stopped out at 2.7 pips, which is absolutely fine. Yeah, and yeah, this is the case where the price simply goes down and doesn't think back. But you can see that even a 5 pips stop loss would have been stopped out. That's a common thing of the things that I see that happen on my trades. So that's why I'm using a very tight stop loss, because I will lose anyway. In the times that I will lose anyway. Of course, on the 1 minute chart, probably I will have to adapt a little bit and change something, but we are going to see about that. Here we see that after that, we would have this price action, this possible trade idea playing out, but I missed out on it. Only like 1 pip of drawdown. If the entry would have been here, absolutely perfect. And it will be at break even only at the breakout, but then it will push above up until 11, 12 pips. So that's a missed entry anywhere. I would say over here, because you see the breakout. It will range a little bit, but just let it run. It will not hurt. And yeah, that's basically it on GU as well. So let's just have a look at it on the 1 minute, just if I want to see anything different. For example, yeah, my trade idea is still in the middle of the range, but makes sense because it is a retracement, a retest of a very important PSA on the lower time frame. You can see how many reaction we got, so absolutely nothing to worry about. And here, very nice entry. This one would have been a high risk, high reward entry, mainly because we are not broken these highs and we are bouncing exactly from there. So this will be in anticipation of the continuation up, but still that will be okay. You can see also that over here on the 1 minute chart, it's a little bit more clear because it condenses a lot of candles, and we got the retest of this area. So in this case, probably it would be stopped out anyway. Yeah, with a 2.5 pips would be stopped out, with a 3 pips would be okay, but a retest of this area would have been a winning trade. Yeah, 12 pips from there. Yes. But yeah, in this case, that case I would need like a 3 pip stop loss, which is something that I'm backtesting, and I will backtest more. Now we are breaking above these highs. On the 1 minute, I will need the candle to break above these highs. I don't know if on the 1 minute I would want and accept a retest of these lows of this area for possible continuation up, or wait for the retest above this last high. So let's see. We can see it live to understand how the price is moving. Yeah, this will be the high risk, high reward. It's the same thing that I was talking about here. So we are breaking above the last high, but we are still facing this rejection with this area on the left hand side. So what do we want to do? Do we want to take the high risk, high reward, or we want to take the safest buy? You can see that's I mean, we're going to see about it, and we can, yeah, the stop loss will be well below these lows, and yeah, 5 pips for the break even at least will be with a breakout. So so far it is looking promising, but one single candle, especially on a 20-tick chart, doesn't say anything. And so yeah, that's, you can check it out how it is going to go. And yeah, as simple as that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow on Wednesday.